This is the 7th class physical education book in which 7 chapters. So in which in this video lecture series we will discuss about questions and answer of each chapter. It means we will mark the questions and answers of each lessons. So today we are going to mark the question and answers of human body means first lesson. So let's start the video. So this is your first chapter, human body. So first we will move to the question which is given at the end of the chapter. So this is your 7 questions. So we are going to mark the first question's answer. What do you know about human body? So for the answer we will go to the first page. So here the answer, this is the second paragraph, body posture from here to here. This is your first answer. Second question, in which two categories can a human body be divided to understand and knowledge it? So again we move to the first page of the book, and we can see here human body is divided in two categories. First is body posture, second is body function. So this is our second answer. Now we will move to the third question, and it is how many bones are there in a human body? So again for the answer we move to the first page. Here you can see the human body has 206 bones. So this is your third answer. Now the fourth question, what are the main organs of blood circulation? We will write about the organs name which are involved in the circulation system. So we can see here heart, the on the second page, the last paragraph. So here heart, arteries, veins, tissues are the main part of this system. These are the main part of circulatory system. So this is your fourth answer. Fifth question is, what do you know about sensory system? We already know that the sensory system, that system which help us to know about our surroundings. So we will move to the third page. Here at the last paragraph, sense organs. So this is your answer from here to here. This is your fifth question's answer. Now the second last question, what is the importance of excretory system in human body? So first we will go to the page number 3, and here the fifth paragraph, excretory system, and this whole paragraph is your sixth question's answer. So you can mark here. Now the last question, what are the main function of human body? So first you will go to the page number 1. So the last paragraph, main function of human body. So this is your seventh question's answer, which is start from here. A human body has from here to here. This is the fourth point. So the main function of body is protection, shape, movements, and measure storehouse. So this is your seventh question's answer. I hope these all questions are clear for you. If still you have any doubt, you can comment and I will answer to your problems. So the first chapter is complete. Thank you.